to another episode.
And today we're making a chocolate milk.
And this is basically
so delicious.
Okay, so now first we're gonna make like a chocolate ganache. You add some chocolate and some milk just to make it like the chocolate. It's like a thicker version of chocolate. Just melted chocolate basically. But the texture is so amazing. So
we're microwaving for 25 seconds.
Yes.
And
just to melt the chocolate.
And we're here doing weird stuff.
Yes. It is really weird here.
Just like the kangaroo. Just like the kangaroo.
Okay, so now that your stuff is melted, you are going...
Just like the kangaroo.
You're going to stir it up.
Stir it up.
And since the chocolate that you just melted is like really,
it's
really hot, so you're adding another chocolate because the residual heat in the melted chocolate will basically melt the second piece of chocolate down. So you don't have to worry about it like not melting down and stuff. And even if it's not completely melted.
And then you just add some milk.
And even if that chocolate was not completely melted, it's still delicious having like some chocolate chunks in your milk. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just add milk and you serve.
And then just drink it.
Yes. It is so delicious.
You better try this, everyone. It's so good. You better try, and please subscribe and make this chocolate milk.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.